Alright, 67 power window lockout switch. So you can see which terminals we're on. So we're going to test the emergency function right now. You have less than half an ohm's resistance, 0.3. That's not even 1 ohms. It's not even half an ohm. Okay, release it. Alright, so now we're back into the normal function. So we're going to take this and go to the end terminal here. Okay, so you have less than half an ohm resistance. That's the normal position. Then we're going to switch it to off. Off is then an open. Okay, so it's in a lock position. Off, lock, same thing. Then normal. Okay, less than half an ohm's resistance. This is your 67 power window lockout switch. Terminals are super clean. Chrome's in overall good condition. Okay.